Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will give you some information, or I will share with you some strategy which you can apply in the market and you can earn more money. Like suppose if you doing trade like 10, within a year you will get win 8, maximum 8 to 9, 1 or 2 will be losses. So I think this strategy will be very helpful for you, and you are gonna keep hoping very profitable trading. So let's get started. So what's the market condition now? It's like the uptrend market. Okay, it's uptrend market. Just see here, it's uptrend market. You already seen here, it's uptrend market. So what we should do decision here. Okay, so this is at the previous level, here are the resistance at the previous level. So at the resistance, market behavior will be changed. You cannot take trade uptrend because of resistance. Market will change condition. So you have to wait when market go into the support and resistance. That time you also can trade down 90% accuracy, sheer shot down. This candle will break this bearish candle. After that you can take downtrend entry, like down entry. You can take sell entry. So it will get massive profit for the resistance. And when market will come the support, here previously support available, you just seen here. That time you don't take any sell position because market will change. It's 90% true, market will change because market respect support resistance so much. Market respect. So you have to understand the market condition. You cannot like avoid support resistance level. You have to respect it all the level. So I think if you are a loser trader or you cannot take profit from the market, just follow the support. Just follow support SNR level, support or resistance. The previous market has a resistance or previous market has a support. Just follow this level and wait for the confirmation. After that, I think for every day you will get 10 to 20 entry or maximum. From here 5 or 6 will be losers and 70 to 80% you will profit, because 100% you cannot profit. Market doesn't give you 100% profit. So you have to understand that market doesn't give you 100% profit. So you cannot also do that because psychology you cannot control. Market psychology is very, you have to more strong. Market psychology, if you want to know market psychology, first of all you have to practice at the demo. So I think just follow my video, okay? Don't be so shy or don't be so panic, because S and R, these two words you have to memorize: support and resistance, supply or demand, like that. At the forex called supply or demand. So support resistance, if you follow the previous market support resistance, I think there will be no loose trade. There will be no loose trades. All are win. Like 80% will be win if you can take perfect entry. When market go up here like that, higher high, higher low, higher higher, higher low. At the previous suppose let me understand with you another example. Suppose higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So here are the resistance at the previous market. Here market was fallen down from that point. So you are just waiting for that point. So when market slowly will go here, that time we will get confirmation that down sell like bearish candle or bearish engulfing. That time just take until like big balance or money, or just follow money management and take the big sizes balance. Then you can earn huge profit. You don't have to sit full day. Okay, you don't have to sit full day, just follow this step. When market